I'm gonna try to buck this log. My first attempt at bucking the log, so I'm gonna try it. This side did pretty good. Then I'm gonna try this side. I put in the wedges. So let me know if I'm doing it right. If anybody watches this, let me know if I'm doing it right. So the problem I understand is, so I use the wedges for the top part, but my problem is once you get all the way down here, what do you do at the bottom? Like, how do you get the bottom? I don't understand how you get the bottom loose. Like, you just, if anybody knows the answer, can you help me out? Thank you.